Hello, and today I'm out here on the hunt for wild corndog plants. It's an indigenous plant here, and the reason I'm hunting for this is because of Patara over at Appalachia's Homestead.
Live happy, fun-loving, and carefree.
So Patara over there at Appalachia's Homestead, and she's in Tennessee, and she's always showing off her tomato plants and tomatoes and her chickens and her eggs and all the things that she does to get her own food for her and her family. And it got me to thinking about, what we're doing here on our homestead. And I thought to myself, I bet she doesn't have wild corndog plants over there. And I know there's some here on the property. It's just a matter of being able to find them. So I'm out here now, hunting around looking and seeing what we can find. Because again, they're indigenous, they're native to this part of the country. They weren't brought over by anybody on boat or anything like that. They live here naturally. And many parts are useful. Native Americans, and Patara will be interested in that, she probably knows. But the Native Americans used the wild corndog plant for lots of things. Making baskets, edible, you could eat it for food, all kinds of things. So let's see what we can find. This is a kind of swampy, wet, grassy area. So, look at there, some wild mushrooms. Probably can't eat those though. You do want to be careful what you're eating out in the wild. If you don't know what it is, don't be eating it, because you never know. Hey, carrot, kitty, 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 kitty. Do you know where the wild corn dogs are? Well, you're a big help. Oh, gosh! I just walked through a big old spider web. Whew. That was fun. Bonnie! Bonnie, do you see any wild corn dogs anywhere? Huh? Keep your eyes open. Look for them wild corn dogs. Come on, girl, let's go. Ooh. Did I get all the cobweb, spider web out of my beard? Patara, what do you think of this beard? Pretty nice? You ever see anything like that over there in your homestead? All right, I think I know a good spot. So let's head on over there. When you're out hunting for your wild corn dogs, something you want to be careful of is poison ivy, because man, that's a huge bush. It's crazy big. Poison ivy. Oh no! Still got the heebie-jeebies. Whew. So I'm here next to a pond. We have a pond on our property, and there's wild corn dogs growing in the pond. So we found them. So there they are. There's a pair of wild corn dogs. Two of them. So let's sneak up on those guys, and we're gonna just get one of them today. What kinds of wild things do you have on your homestead? Let me know what you like to eat. Patara, hey, what do you guys have over there at Appalachia's Homestead that's yummy to eat? That's wild and growing out on your property. So here's our wild corn dog that I picked off the plants behind me in the pond. And some people like to cook them, some people like putting mustard on them, but sometimes you may just have to eat them in their raw form. So let's just see how this good old wild corn dog tastes. Boy, is that yummy. You want to try it. We have the typical wild blackberries all over our property, and we have service berries and hackberries, and we have all different kinds of wild things that you can eat here on the homestead. What kinds of indigenous natural things do you have living on your homestead that you can eat? Fish in the pond, wild berries, maybe you've got some apple trees, pear trees, wild corn dogs like in the background. Because I want you living happy, fun loving, and carefree in your lifestyle on your homestead.